Looking for low-maintenance plants for your home or office? Welcome to our exploration of the top 5 low-maintenance succulents. These resilient water-storing plants are an excellent choice for any environment. Stick with us as we unveil the top 5 low-maintenance succulents you should consider. At number 1, we have the Aloe Vera. This plucky green succulent is a breeze to care for, thriving in sun or shade. Its fleshy leaves hide a soothing gel, perfect for treating minor burns or skin irritations. Aloe vera is not just easy to care for, but it also offers numerous health benefits. Coming up next is the jade plant. This delightful succulent, with its thick, shiny, dark green leaves, is a marvel to behold. It's remarkably low maintenance, thriving with minimal water and indirect sunlight. The jade plant is indeed a gem for those who prefer low-maintenance plants. Echeveria and zebra plant are our third and fourth picks. Echeveria, with its rosette-like shape and vibrant colors, and the zebra plant, known for its striking white striped leaves, both make great additions to any indoor or outdoor garden. They require minimal care. A bit of sunlight and occasional watering will do the trick. Ideal for beginners, these plants not only enhance the aesthetics of your space, but are also forgiving to novice errors. Both Echeveria and zebra plant add a touch of beauty to any space, with the bonus of being low maintenance. Finally, at number 5, we have the snake plant. Known for its tall, rigid leaves that grow vertically, the snake plant offers a striking visual appeal. It's a favorite in the succulent world due to its incredible resilience. It can survive in a variety of lighting conditions, and it doesn't require frequent watering. Moreover, it's known for its air-purifying qualities, making it a great addition to any indoor space. The snake plant is not just a beauty to behold, but it is also one of the most low-maintenance plants you can find. So there you have it, folks. We've journeyed together through the world of aloe vera, jade plant, echeveria, zebra plant, and snake plant. 5 succulents that are as stunning as they are low maintenance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!